like a tin. C is for cat, chasing butterflies in the sun. D is for deer, dancing softly just for fun. E is for elephant, spraying water everywhere. F is for fox with the fluffy ginger flair. G is for giraffe, stretching high into the sky. H is for hippo, making bubbles as boats go by. I is for iguana, glowing green on a rock. J is for jaguar, jumping smoothly around the block. K is for kangaroo, hopping fast with tiny feet. M is for lion, roaring proudly in the heat. N is for monkey, swinging branches left and right. N is for narwhal, waving its crystal horn so bright. O is for owl, hooting gently in the night. P is for panda, munching bamboo with delight. Q is for quail, quick, tiny feet go tip-tap. R is for rabbit, racing kids in a grassy lap. S is for squirrel, twirling nuts in a playful show. T is for tiger, striped and sneaky as it goes. U is for umbrella, bird with feathers swaying low. V is for vulture, gliding circles in a slow flow glow. W is for wolf, howling softly at the moon. X is for Xerus, a desert squirrel humming a tune. Y is for yak, shaggy, fluffy, friendly, tall. Z is for zebra, zigzag stripes, swirl one and